Welcome. If you want to get iOS launcher on your Archos Diamond Gamma, for the first you have to go for the Play Store, tap on search pool and type iOS launcher. We have to get this application from the routine developer, so let's get it. Right now we can open. Accept the permissions, then click on the home button. Select iOS Launcher 14 and go for the always. Tap here on this notification, and as you can see right now we are with this launcher on our Archos, so we can edit the home icons and also can add here the widgets. And of course when you go back to the app you can check that you can actually customize a lot of things, so just have fun and do whatever you want. Thank you guys for watching, leave thumbs ups, comments and subscribe to our channel. See ya!